Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Nutrifresh. Today I'm going to tell you all how to make bread pudding. So let's get to making. Firstly, in a saucepan I combined in around 500 ml of milk along with a sachet of cream caramel. Stir it on low flame and remove it just before it starts to boil. Then take 3 slices of bread and pour the liquid mixture on it. Let it cool down completely. Then take half a cup of fresh cream and spread it evenly. This dessert is one of my favorite desserts of all time. It only takes you 5 minutes to make, excluding the time of keeping it inside the refrigerator. Once that's done, I'm going to pour in around 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. I'm going to spread it evenly too. And once that's done, I'm going to pour in some caramel. This part is totally optional. You can skip it if you want to. And if you're adding it, then you can pour it according to your taste. Over here I'm just making a few patterns out of it. It's totally optional again. And then garnish it with some chopped almonds. And that's pretty much it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button, follow all my socials, and don't forget to visit my website because there is written recipes over there too. We'll see you all in the next video. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.